Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. You can probably tell by the hat head and the green shirt. I literally got home from the woods not long ago. Second week in a row I've been out. And videos coming. So I'm doing a dish. I don't know if this dish has a name. It might just be something I'm making up on the spot. But it's going to be... So I've got broccoli, snap peas, and daikon radish in the steamer. I cooked that for about 15. But I got this timer set for 10 because I'm going to start frying up some pork in the cast iron pan. And I'm going to be using Shin Ramen as the base. And do sort of like a Ramen Yakisoba thing. So when the timer goes off, I'll bring it back and then we'll get cooking. Alright, so I got my pan heating up. Water's already boiling. But this is, I don't know if this will show, but it's pork butt sliced for hot pot. I've shown this before on video. The idea is I'm going to get my pan warmed up. And then I'm going to fry about half of this. Add my vegetables, and then add my ramen. So, get my pork ready. Fortunately, I just turned the pan on, so it might be timed out a little weird, but I guess I'll go ahead and get my ramen in the water. And I'm going to fry it anyway. I don't think it really matters if it's down a little sooner. There we go. And then make sure you get all the goodness. Now these are going into ramen. I'm going to use the seasoning packet in the mix. That's going to give some good oriental flavors. And then I'll bring it back. Alright, so the pasta has already separated, and now I'm going to cook this a little bit more in the pan, so I'm not super worried about getting it all the way done. I don't mind if it's a little al dente. I'm going to go ahead and call it and get it drained, because you know, let that sit. And let's get this pork going. There's a little bit of cold, a little bit of freeze on this. This is, oh, not even half a pound. It's 0.66 of a pound. So, I will set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I'm going to season this meat with the Shin Ramen packet. I think I'm going to put half on. Well, I guess 3/4 now. In the pan is olive oil and also a little bit of sesame oil. And what I want to do, because I like it, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, because I like garlic. I like garlic a lot, actually. I had that jar of garlic, but I left it in my backpack, and I was grabbing it out for today's the other day, and it fell out. I was like, oh no! So, oops. Big oops. Oh, damn it. I need a bigger kitchen so I can have more cooking room. I'm also going to be steaming up some shumai. I figured why not. I'm only going to do, I'm not going to do a full pack, I'm only going to do about half, so I'll do 7 pieces, because it's a package of 15. I'll flip this meat over. This meat's going to cook up really quick because this Stuff is super thin, so that is what the shumai look like. Fun fact, I actually worked at a plant that made this stuff. We made gyoza, or pot stickers. We also made, whatchamacallit, we made the fillings for egg rolls, all kinds of good stuff. I remember because I used to grind the meat for the filling, and I would mix it with cabbage and seasoning. And we'd put them on these big conveyor belt and would run through and steam them till they were done, and we would just walk up and pick it up off the steamer and then eat it. So I might be able to run this video real time just so you can watch it cook. That pork should be very close to being done. It's going to be a very meaty meal. And this is the cursed burner. There goes my vegetables. Get those in there. Those are stir. I want to say I made a dish like this before, but I'm really not remembering. Go ahead and throw my pasta in there. That needs to be. I think I made yakisoba once, like similar to this. Alright, I got the shumai in the steamer. I can't get it back in the package because, of course not. I'll add the remaining mix. So add a little spice. Tell you what, it's looking really good. What else have I got for flavor training around here? Can't remember if I had any. Oh, I do have soy sauce. Add a little soy sauce. Go ahead and drop the temp down to medium. The soy sauce will add some flavor. And if I still have it, I might have used it all up. I thought I had a little bit of Hanzo sauce, but I may have run out and forgot to buy more. So we'll just go with soy sauce, I guess. You know, I'm thinking about it now, that soy sauce has a little sodium in it. I'll also use that whole package, so yeah, this is going to be pretty salty. I'm going to be drinking a lot of water after this. I'll go ahead and call that done. That's looking real good. Alright, let me dish this up. I got my shumai package put away. Dish this, and with all the meat and vegetables, it sure made a big meal. What's nice about the ramen packet, it's a measured amount, so I don't have to worry about over making it or making too much. Alright. Get the rest of that meat out. Don't want to waste any of it. Cool. Alright, now I'm finally done fighting the tripod. There you go. One Ramen Yakisoba. So here is a big piece of pork. And the ramen noodles. Noodles are cooked perfectly. Everything's steamed up nicely. There's a pea. Oh yeah. That's money. Tell you what. Real good. I like the fact that I used ramen because it one, you know, I mean it's a big portion, but I only had one out of it. So, there's the ramen. And tell you what, that Shin Black, it bites back a little bit. If you like it spicy. For me, it's spicy, but it's not kicking my ass. And I'll probably bring it back when the shumai are done. Let's say we've got about, well, 1 minute. Alright, these things should literally be done any second. Or it can just be done right now. These are pork shumai. They look like this. They're basically just a little dumpling. So, I have 7 of these little guys. And that's dinner. Eat one of these on camera. Of course it's going to be hot, but alright. So, make sure I don't burn my mouth. Hot. Whew. Well, alright, well, needless to say, clean plate. And that Shin ramen's good, but it kicks back. It's like, ugh. So, it was good though. I mean, I could handle it. So anyway, appreciate you watching as always. Catch you on the next one. There'll be some links down in the description. Go check them out. There's a Showhead H channel, Cast Iron Wednesday channel, and also the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. D with Native Tears. All kinds of good stuff out there. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And we'll catch you next week. Have a good one.